Hi, we are going to start foundations, okay? So I'm going to go over two letters today, okay? What I want you to do, and I will wait for you guys, I want you to grab your dry erase kit, okay? So it is your piece of paper that's in a page protector, your marker, and your eraser, which doesn't look like mine, but your eraser, okay? Go ahead and grab those things and have them in front of you. You should be sitting at a desk or a table or somewhere, or even sitting down on the floor with maybe a hard book in front of you so that you can write, okay? So go ahead and get to a space like that, and when you are ready, I will get started. So I'm going to give you guys a couple of minutes, well, probably a couple of seconds. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get started. If you need more time, go ahead and press pause right here, and then you can start playing it, okay? All right, so the two letters we're going to go over today are D, dog, duh. Say D, dog, duh, okay? Let's go ahead and let's just say D, let's say dog, and let's say duh, 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 okay? That is your sound for duh, dog. Everybody say D, dog, duh. Good. Right. Now your next letter is S. Everybody say S, snake, S. Let's do it one more time. S, snake, S. Okay, everybody say S, snake, and then say S. Awesome. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we are going to work on writing those letters, okay? So go ahead and get out your dry erase sheet, your marker, lay it down, and then just put your marker down and watch me the first time, okay? All right, so we're going to do a lowercase d, okay? All right, I'm going to do this so that you guys can see it, okay? All right. So I'm going to start right here at the skyline. Say start at the skyline. Go down. Oh, that wasn't very good. I'll start over. Start at the skyline. Go down to the grass line. Trace back up to the plane line. Make a curve all the way to the grass line. Okay? Everybody say D, dog, duh. Awesome. Okay, you can get out your marker now. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do it with you, okay? So follow along with me and say it out loud as you write, okay? Say start at the skyline. Go down to the grass line. Trace back up to the plane line. Make a curve all the way to the grass line. Say D, dog, duh. Okay, go ahead and erase. Actually, do one more on your own. One more on your own. Go ahead and write that one more on your own. Remember, you're starting at the skyline, you're going down to the grass line, you're coming back up to the plane line, making a curve all the way to the grass line. I hope that is not turns for you guys, because this is a D as in dog, not a B, okay? D, dog, duh. Okay, go ahead and erase your board. I hope you were able to make some awesome Ds. And then now we are going to make our S. Okay, everybody say S, snakes. Okay, go ahead and watch me the first time. So go ahead and put your marker down and just watch, okay? We are going to start at the plane line, okay, because it is a lowercase s. We're going to start at the plane line. And we are going to go backwards on the plane line. And we're going to curve around to the middle of my grass line and curve around again so it's sitting on my grass line, okay? S is a little tricky. Let's go ahead and let's do it again together. Start at the plane line, go backwards on the plane line, make a curve to the middle in between the grass line and plane line, and come back around so it's sitting on the grass line. Okay? Go ahead and make an S on your own. Again, you're starting on that plane line and going backwards, making a curve to the middle, making another curve, and then sitting on the grass line. Everybody say S, snake, S. Okay, go ahead and erase your boards. So your board should be blank. Put your marker down, put your eraser down. Snap the cap on your marker, okay? And go ahead and just move away from that so you're not touching it. Okay, Let's go through these one more time. Everybody say S, snake, S. D, dog, D. Okay, now I'm going to say a sound, and you're going to guess what the letter is, okay? All right. S. Is that D or S? It is S, okay? Now, D. Is that S or is that D? D. It is D, okay? All right, guys, that is it for your foundations.